Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. In our 17 videos in 17 hours challenge, we are doing our 10th video and the question is something like this: how to quarantine a compute engine. So COVID-19 will definitely fail in front of our awesome compute engine. Let's see how to quarantine a virtual machine. Alright, we are in our GCP console. Let me click on create a virtual machine and let me give a name to it, and a very important configuration is there. So I'm just going to call this as quarantined instance, and let me provision it in Singapore, and any machine type should be fine. So if I just leave everything, this is going to be a normal virtual machine. To make it quarantine, what I should do is I should make sure under service account I create it as no service account. This virtual machine should not use any service account. That's how I can quarantine it. I'll just show you that once I finish the demonstration. No service account. So if I just click on the command line equivalent, the one which you see is no service account, no scope. By doing this, what we are going to achieve is it's going to be a standalone virtual machine. It cannot interact with any other service in GCP. It cannot interact with Google Cloud Storage. It cannot interact with BigQuery. It just lives as an individual virtual machine, isolated from other services. So you may ask, what is a use case? If you have a specific use case where you just need to have a virtual machine, that's it, nothing else, you can use this kind of an option. Let's SSH and just verify whether we can access any other resources like Google Cloud Storage or BigQuery. Let's just wait. Alright, we have SSH into the virtual machine. Clear the screen, and if I make the screen slightly bigger and type this command gcloud auth list, you will know it is not running with any service account. No credentials are there. Now if I just use something with that setting, if I just do gsutil list, it will throw me an error like anonymous call. So you don't have any storage where you can access it as a public user in this specific project. Now it's an isolated virtual machine where you get the necessary vCPU and the memory. You do all the necessary processing, and once you have done the processing, if you don't need the virtual machine, just delete it, because this is a quarantined virtual machine where it cannot interact with any other service because it does not have a service account. So that's a video which I wanted to share today, how to quarantine a compute engine. So that's our video number 10 in our challenge. Thank you for watching.